How do I enforce my marital settlement agreement? Imagine this. You and your spouse have agreed on important issues like child custody, support, and property division. You thought everything was settled, but now your ex is not following through. What do? That's where enforcing your marital settlement agreement comes into play. A marital settlement agreement is a legal contract between spouses that covers how they will handle key issues after divorce or separation. Once a court approves and includes it in the final divorce judgment, it becomes a court order. This means it has the same power as a judge's decision. To enforce your agreement, start by reviewing it carefully. Look at what each person agreed to and identify what the other party is not doing. For example, if your ex is not paying child support or ignoring custody schedules, note those specific breaches. Next, try to talk directly with your spouse. Sometimes misunderstandings cause these issues. It's best to communicate in writing through emails or letters. This creates a record of your efforts to resolve the problem. If talking doesn't work, gather evidence. Keep detailed notes of missed payments, missed visits, or any violations. Save copies of emails, texts, or other proof. If informal talks don't fix the problem, it's time to consult a family law attorney. An attorney can advise you on your options based on your state's laws. They may suggest filing a motion with the court to enforce the agreement. This is called a motion for enforcement or a motion for contempt if the breach involves disobeying a court order. When you file this motion, you will need to present evidence of the breach. The court will review your case and may hold a hearing. During the hearing, you can show proof of violations. The judge can then order remedies such as wage garnishment for unpaid support, transferring property, or modifying custody arrangements. Remember, once your marital settlement agreement is part of the final court judgment, it has the same authority as a court order. Modifications are possible but usually requiring mutual agreement or a court order, especially for financial issues. If the agreement was made under fraud or duress, it might be challenged and set aside. The goal of enforcement is to make sure both parties follow the terms they agreed to. By following these steps, you can use the legal system to make sure your rights are protected and your agreement is honored.